What is connective tissue? Connective tissue is a type of tissue made up of fibers forming a framework and support structure for body tissues and organs. This tissue is the material found between the cells of the body that gives tissues their forming strength. Connective tissue is also involved in delivering nutrients to other tissues and is involved in the special functioning of certain tissues. What are the types of connective tissue? There are many types of connective tissue, but the main ones are blood, lymphatic cells, cartilage, and bone. Blood is used for transportation of nutrients and hormones. Lymphatic cells are used for transportation and production of immune cells. Cartilage serves as a cushion, and bone gives body its structure and strength.
Connective tissue fibers. Collagenous fibers are thick threads of the protein collagen, and they are the major structural protein of the body. Elastic fibers are composed of a spring-like protein called elastin. Reticular fibers are very thin collagenous fibers. Thick cells reside in the specific connective tissue type for an extended period of time. Wandering cells move through and appear in tissues temporarily, usually in response to an injury or an infection.
What is connective tissue made of? Collagenous fibers are thick threads of protein called collagen, which is the major structural protein of the body. They're grouped in long, parallel bundles, flexible but only slightly elastic. Great tensile strength, which means it can resist considerable pulling force. It holds structures together such as ligaments and tendons. Tissue containing abundant collagenous fibers is called dense connective tissue. It appears white, which is why it's called white fibers. Tissues that have sparse collagenous fibers is called loose connective tissue. The elastic fibers are composed of a spring-like protein called elastin. They're branched, forming complex networks in various tissues. They're weaker than collagenous tissue, but very elastic. They're common in body parts that are normally subjected to stretching, such as vocal cords and air passages of the respiratory system. The reticular fibers are very thin collagenous fibers and highly branched and form delicate supporting networks in a variety of tissues, including those of the spleen.